We've added chart themes in Julius. We've heard from many users that they've wanted to customize their charts and visualizations to match their company's brands and themes. To try this out, click on Settings and click on Chart Themes. Choose from 3 preset themes from Scientific, Dark, or even the Julius theme. If you're looking for something more customized, build your own custom theme that aligns with your brand style and identity. Click on New Theme, choose your primary and background color using the color selector, or type in the RGB, HSL, or hex code. The system will auto-generate 4 distinct colors, or you can select gradient or choose these manually. Finally, fine-tune the rest of your chart settings by adjusting the axis lines, specific font and font styles, border, and positioning of the legend. Once you're done, click Create Theme, and that's it. Now, whenever you generate a visualization in Julius, you're set to add a chart in your company's deck, presentation, Slack, and more. Create your own chart theme today, and let us know what else you want to see from us in the comments below.